बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। Grade 7 Unit 3 Gwadar Port. Today we are going to start the exercise. In exercise we have textual questions. You know that questions are of different types. Textual questions are easy to comprehend. These questions are text based. You have to read the text with full attention to answer these questions. टेक्सचुअल क्वेश्चन क्या होते हैं? टेक्सचुअल क्वेश्चन को बयान करना बहुत आसान होता है क्योंकि ये टेक्स्ट बेस होते हैं। आपने टेक्स्ट को गौर से पढ़ना होता है और उसी में से फिर आपने आंसर निकालने होते हैं। हेयर ऑन पेज नंबर 19 इन कंप्रीहेंशन फोकस हेयर आर गिवन two textual question. Question number 3 and question number 5 are textual question. Question number 3, what are the role of China in development of Gwadar port? And question number 5 is, how will the Gwadar port be beneficial to Pakistan? These two questions are textual question. You have to read this unit again carefully and then you have to write these two answers of these questions on assignment file. Our next topic is topic sentence and supporting detail. You have already read about topic sentence and supporting sentences in your previous unit. Let's revise what is topic sentence and supporting sentences. The main idea of a paragraph is called topic sentence. Other sentences in a paragraph support the topic sentence. These are called supporting details. मेन आइडिया किसी भी पैराग्राफ का उस पैराग्राफ का टॉपिक सेंटेंस होता है और उस पैराग्राफ में मौजूद बकाया सारे सेंटेंसेस जो कि टॉपिक सेंटेंस को सपोर्ट कर रहे होते हैं उन्हें सपोर्टिंग डिटेल्स कहना चाहते हैं। हेयर ऑन पेज नंबर 19 यू आर गिवन अ एक्टिविटी हेयर you have to read the paragraph number 7 of the unit and identify its topic sentence. Also you have to write two supporting sentences in the given blanks. You have to do this work with pencil on your book on page number 19. Our next topic is skimming. We also had done this topic in our previous unit. Let's revise it again. Skimming is a reading technique used to look for main or general ideas in any text. A reader reads only important information without going into detail. Students, here is another home task for you on page number 20. You have to read the unit again and skim the text and you have to write its main idea in your own words in your assignment file. Students, our next topic in phonics focus is are control vowels. What are vowels? Alphabet A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. When the letter R comes after a vowel in any word, the vowels make a different sound. These vowels are called R control vowel. जब किसी भी वॉल के बाद आर आ जाता है तो आर की साउंड डिफरेंट हो जाती है। हेयर यू आर गिवन अ टेबल ऑन योर बुक पेज नंबर 20 by which you can understand better R control vowels. First letter is A, stop, pa. Next E, water, sister. I, bird, firm. U, turn, purple. Born, form. Your next home task is you have to write 10 words having R controlled vowel in your assignment file. Next topic on page number 20 is vocabulary focus. You have to read these words and their meanings and learn these words with their meanings by heart. Our next topic is linking verb. Linking verbs are used to join an adjective to a subject. The most common linking verbs are is, are, am, was, were, seem, become, feel, get, etc. लिंकिंग वर्ब लिंक करते हैं, ज्वाइन करते हैं, जोड़ते हैं किसको? एडजेक्टिव को सेंटेंस के सब्जेक्ट के साथ। और what are adjectives? Adjectives are words that modify a noun or pronoun. Here is a table of some linking verbs. appear, become, feel, get, go, look, smell, taste, sound, seem, get, turn. Let's move to the examples of linking verb. First sentence, Hamza is a good student. In this sentence, Hamza is noun and good student is an adjective. The word which link Hamza to good student is. Next, Ali felt so excited about his trip to Gwadar. Ali is noun and excited is adjective, and the word which link together is felt. So felt is linking verb. Next, Sana seems to be happy. Sana is noun and happy is adjective. Seem is linking verb. That flower smells wonderful. Here smells link flower to wonderful. Next, the ocean looked peaceful today. Ocean is noun and peaceful is adjective. Looked is linking verb. The pizza tastes great. Pizza is noun, great is adjective, and the word that links pizza and great together is taste. Tastes. They were late. In this sentence, were is act as linking verb. Let's move to the homework. Your homework is on page number 24. You have to fill these blanks with the correct linking verb. You are given two options with each blank. You have to do this work with pencil on your book. Thank you very much.